homework is a work problem. Oh no, I'm bad at these. It would take Tom 8 hours to whitewash the fence in the backyard. His friend Huck would need 12 hours to do the same job himself. They both start the work at 9 in the morning, each at opposite ends of the fence. Under watchful eye of Aunt Polly, at what time in the afternoon will the task be completed? Oh no, I'm confused. Miss Macklicker? Yeah? Can you help me with the work problem?
Sure, I'll come over there and read it. Let's go to the board and do it.
Okay.
So, it would take Tom 8 hours by himself. And it would take Huck 12 hours by himself. Now, in 1 hour, how much would each of them do by themselves?
In 1 hour, Tom could do 1/8 of the job.
Good.
For Huck, in 1 hour, he could do 1/12 of the job.
And so, in X hours, how much would they do by themselves?
If he can do 1/8 in 1 hour, then he should be able to do X over 8 in X hours, and Huck should be able to do X over 12 in 12 X hours.
X hours. Good job.
So, what's next?
Well, you have to write the equation for how much they could do together.
So, if Tom can do X over 8 in X hours, and Huck can do X over 12 in X hours, how long does it take them to complete one job?
Good.
I'm confused on what to do next. Can you help me?
I'll show you. So, first what you have to do is you need to be able to clear the denominator so you can solve it. So what we're going to do is we're just going to multiply these two together. So on this side, we're going to multiply 12 over 12 on this side. And then over here, we're going to multiply 8 over 8. So then you have 12x plus 8x equals 96, which
Where
is
did
8
you
times
get
12.
96?
That's the common denominator, which is 8 times 12.
Okay.
So then you have 20x equals 96. And then what you would do is divide by 20, and you have x equals 4.8 hours. So they started at 9, and you need to figure out when they would end. But this needs to be converted into minutes. So you would go 4 times 8 times 60, because you want to know the minutes, which is 288 minutes. And then 4 hours is 240 minutes. So you know it would be, if they start at 9, it would be 1. And then you would have 48 minutes left over. So it would be at 1:48 by the time they finish together.
Thanks, Miss Macklicker.
You're welcome.
Is there another way to do this?
Yes, there is. So, Olivia, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm ready to learn. So, have you ever heard this equation? T over A plus T over A is equal to 1.
No, I haven't. What do T and A stand for?
So T is the work together and A is the work alone.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yes. So, do we know the work together of them, or what is the problem?
We don't know how long it took them to work together, but we know how long it took them to work alone.
Okay, so for T and T, we will put X, because that is what we're trying to find. And what is the work alone?
Tom works for 8 hours alone,
Okay,
and Huck works for 12 hours alone.
okay. And it's equal to 1.
What does 1 stand for?
1 stands for one job.
Oh, that makes sense. Thanks, Ken.
No problem. So from here, is this familiar?
Yeah!
It's just like that problem equation over there.
Totally.
So we would solve it the same way.